Hi viewers, this is Sandeep, subject matter expert in mathematics. In this video, I'm going to give introduction to mensuration. Mensuration. Let's try to understand what is mensuration. Mensuration is a part of geometry. Viewers first try to understand what is geometry. In geometry, like geo means earth, metry means measure. Okay, so what kind of figures we will have in geometry? We will have 2D figures, we will have 3D figures. Okay, 2D is nothing but two-dimensional, 3D is nothing but three-dimensional. So 2D, we will have squares, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, polygons, circles, etc. We have learned the squares, rectangles, parallelogram from 5th class to till 9th class. In the same way, about 3D diagrams, we have learned in 7th classes. Just we have learned what are the dimensions of this 3D figures. But in 10th class, we are going to calculate something about 3 dimensions. Okay, so as I already told you, mensuration is about geometry. In geometry, we have 2D and 3D. So we have these figures. Now for these figures, we are going to calculate something. Okay, so we are going to calculate. What we are going to calculate? Observe very carefully. We are going to calculate lengths, areas and volumes. Viewers, try to understand lengths, areas and volumes. For example, take this ruler, scale. Now I want to calculate, like look at this book. What is the shape? It's rectangle. In your front view, it is rectangle. Generally, it is in the shape of cuboid. Okay, now for example, take this front view. Now I want to calculate. So now I'm going to calculate this. Now what is the length? What is the length? It is 24 centimeters. It is 24 centimeters. Okay, it is 24 centimeters. Now what is area? For example, take this board. Now we have 4 borders. In this 4 borders, look at this greenish area where I am writing. So that particular area, that particular space, we call it as area. Then how to find that area? We will find that area. We have formula, that is length into breadth. We have learned in our lower classes. Then what is volume? Viewers, look at this glass. This glass, it is used to fill the water. Let's say I'm going to fill 150 ml of water. What is that 150 ml volume? Okay, students, so we have number of objects which we need to calculate volume. Okay, so these are the real-time application. Okay, now let's talk about some real-time application. For example, now I want to construct a house. So now I want estimation. For example, I want to buy bricks. Now how many number of bricks I have to bring? I need to have an estimation. The estimation is given based on the volume. For example, take agricultural fields or take lands. We used to heard like this: 1 acre, 2 acres, 100 yards, 4,000 square feet. So what are these? These are areas. Student, it is very, very important in our real time that we need to learn about mensuration. So this is all about introduction to mensuration. Students, if you like my video, please do subscribe. Thank you.